the way you embarrassed me in front of my visitors. I'm not happy about it. This is so disgusting. You just call me my fellow baby. What kind of grammar is that? You're supposed to call me my baby, my sweetie, my beauty. That's what you're supposed to be calling me. I don't like what you do. See, I have a reputation to protect. I was a classic girl in school. They respect me. You're supposed to package yourself, arrange yourself as a, Dogo now. See, babe, I'm not comfortable with this. Whenever my visitors comes around, you have to learn how to comport yourself. You're a big man for crying out loud. What's wrong with you? I don't like this.
Have you finished?
Yes.
Okay. I choose not to talk today. Let me pretend as if I just accept everything you said. You have visitors. Let us go.
That's all you have to say, right?
That's all I have to say. Let's go.
Fine.
Hi. See, this is my wife, eh? Hey! She can cook.
This is so nice. Mama, I will eat your food anytime, any day.
Any
this
day.
Is so nice.
Any day. You see, this is my wife, eh? Hey! She can cook. That's her food can even wake the dead. Just carry her soup and pour on the grave. The dead will rise up one time.
Ah, you're not lying.
One time.
Sure.
One time.
You're right.
What?
Ma. Your food too sweet.
Thank you.
Your hand never change.
Oh, so my wife can cook, oh.
Yeah,
I'm telling
she knows
you.
how to cook.
Yeah, what is this? What is this? No. I have to talk. No, I have to talk because what is this now? Why are they using fork to fork this food down? Huh? No, now you're using fork to fork over that down. For what now?
Not like that. Just, I don't know how to eat with my bare hands.
You don't know how to do what
To eat
you
with my
that
bare
I'm
hands.
saying.
Yes.
Yeah, for
Sir,
saying
you
guy.
should try this. You will love it.
Try what?
Yeah, like
This is abomination. This is nonsense now.
We just had a conversation and you just...
Now drop this thing. Drop this thing. No, drop this thing. Drop this thing. Use your hand and eat this thing now.
It's my hand.
What kind of school did you?
My baby. Thanks for your hospitality. Thank you very much. Really appreciate it.
You're welcome.
I enjoy food.
My husband said I should give you this token.
20,000 naira for your cab fare.
20,000 naira.
Please manage it.
Mama, this is too much.
It's just a small token, just to show our appreciation. Thanks for coming. It's fine. Okay, let me see you guys off. Let's go. Thank you for coming. You guys actually made my day.
Thank you very much. God, I'm so tired. Where's this one day? Man! So this place is scattered. Man! I hear you, they said. They smoke. Come, let me gist you. Come on, sit down. Come on, sit now. Let me gist you. You know they tire for smoke.
As a day like this, I don't dey high. I don't dey on things and things. I don't feel say I go to listen to that your gist. Or more hunger dey oh.
Which one be hunger again? No be you I leave the last garri for house. You know chop am.
You no enter now. You don't do me. See what you go do for me? You go just enter kitchen. Find me something make I chop.
That one no go fit happen no. Now waiting I want tell you. Now the gist wey I carry come. You see that my friend husband I will go see. You know how much will this man give us? Give us 20,000 naira. When we use enter Uber. How? How won't carry that kind of money enter Uber? We won't buy us for this house. We never see food for how many days now? I just carry public transport come back also. You don't even reach 1,000 naira. I carry the remaining come back and I won't flex you. You know what? Go and change. Make I carry you come out. We go eat outside today. Today where I'm not cooking.
Let's talk am now. That man oh better money oh.
Better bar. If you see house. If you see these people house. Omo.
You know what? Make I enter. Go dress up. You don't say your guy now better celeb.
Steez on 100.
Come on, give me something. Give me for yeah. Make I give you. The man there, they come.
No waste time, oh.
They come now.
If you waste time, I will change mind. Waste my time, oh. If I change mind. Oh, he's not back. What should I do? I need to think of something. Yes! I need to prepare delicious meal for him. I believe he will like it and he will forgive me. Good idea. I know you like it. I think I need to call him. It's my phone. Hello, babe. Where are you? I prepared your favorite. Yes. Hello? Hello? He just hung up. Did I say anything wrong? What am I going to do now? And I prepared this sumptuous, delicious meal for him to eat.
Baby.
My fellow baby, Biko, no show this night. Oh, Biko.
Baby.
My fellow baby, Biko, I have closed shop. Oh, close your chamber, kwa. Biko, no show this night. Biko.
Baby, stand up now. There's something bothering me. Stand up.
Bothering you, kwa? Huh? What is that thing bothering you, my love? That is, see, Biko, see, I just want to sleep. See, I have to seriously calculate this night, even in my dream, because of business I have with Alaji Zenko. Not business of 100 million, not business of 200 million. I want to just sleep, just come strategize, yeah, you understand? Let me miscombine my brain so that I know how to attack that man tomorrow in meeting.
Baby, we need to talk. What I want to say is very important right now.
Important?
Yes.
What thing is more important than meeting now? Actually, that's this my meeting tomorrow, and this thing I want to miscombine my brain this night in idea to attack this man so that this man will make this thing 300 million. What is more important, Kwano?
Baby, you're just getting me upset. I don't like the way you behave at times.
My fellow baby, I'm going to fire your talk. Let me hear.
You need to shop.
I need to shop? For what? For what and why? No. Upon plaza I have that people don't know. Farmer that I have plaza. It's only you that know. And my bank officer that plaza is my own. And the 8 shop I have, for what? Now which 4 they don't know, and they can never ever know how to Hagama. They don't know. It's only you that know that I have 8 shop. And what? Add 2 shop to it. For what? 2 shop for what?
That's not what I'm talking about now. You should understand me. You keep embarrassing me in front of my friends, and I don't like it.
I embarrass you?
Yes.
In front of who? Who? Your friends? Those your forcing guy friends? Forcing guy friends that brokenness is their portion in this life. Who? Friends, those mumu friends of yours, those mumunity girls. Eh? Oh, babes, you're saying what? How I embarrass you?
See, you see that your old, outdated phone. I don't like it when you bring it out in front of my friends. You have to stop bringing out that phone. It embarrasses me so much. You have to stop it. What's the meaning of that? I mean, who does that?
I do that. Inania. Odogu solid. I do that. This phone. You are saying what? This phone. Do you know what this phone is to me and what I am to this phone? Come now, now. You see this phone? This phone is me and I am this phone. And Ania, my fellow baby, this phone is me and I am this phone. In good English, come now, here. What are you talking about? Do you know the transfer this phone have made? Do you know? No, let me tell you, only today this phone did 220 million transfer onto you now. You see this phone? What a phone now? This phone is reason that you are on this bed. Because of this phone, you are married to Odogu Block. Yes, Odogu Block. Because of this phone. Let me tell you now, you see this phone? Is the phone I used to pay your bride price. Everything about your bride price is this phone in Ania. That's into the transfer. Pakam, your people will take the money home. I throw transfer, pakam, your people swallow the money home. You understand me? This phone is the reason. So you want me to now throw away this phone because of who? Your ugly babes, brokenness babes. Ugly girls that you follow every time. People that being broke is their portion in life. Yeah. Don't let me talk. Don't let me talk. You know, when I see them, I don't like to attack them. Don't let me talk. Okay? Because who are nonsense people? Who are they? That should try this is my phone, my one and only. For what? Anyway, I know what to do. I know what to do to solve this problem. With this my phone. With phone, ma. Yes, my one and only. My one and only. With this my phone, for safety, I have transfer 500,000 naira embarrassment sorry to you.
Thank you.
Thank you only, okay, what I'm here. Just thank you only. Okay, all together. Let's go there. With this my phone, once again, I have transferred another 1 million embarrassment sorry to you.
Odogu Block.
You see, your laugh now is now getting to full current. Your laugh that was half current before now is full current. So now embarrassment forget, okay? Embarrassment forget. Embarrassment forget. Okay, now my phone can rest.
Odogu Block. My one and only.
It is I, Matam Eji. So therefore now, I want you now, to just help me sleep, talk me like a pikin to bed, okay? So therefore, as you did now, just pat me like this, call me different names so I can sleep.
Baby. Sweetest man in the world. The man with the golden hair.
Oh my God. I love you too.
I'll keep.
Money is for all. Money is for all. Before you play any game, he knows. Before you play smart,
God. Why is he not speaking his cause? What have I done wrong again? I'm the one who's supposed to get mad and get angry with him, but it's the other way round. God, wake me, wake me, wake me. God, why? Why am I so unlucky with men? Why? Why? God, I need your help. God, I need your help. I think he's back. Babe. Babe! Babe! Babe. Babe.
Hey, let me just go. You had the effort to be insulting because of ordinary food, because you are cooking for me.
Babe. You know I don't like when we are quarreling. I'm so sorry. We don't have to be angry. You know I don't like when we are having issues. You're the one that offended me. Why are you acting up?
Okay, so since I'm acting up, then let me go. For God's sake.
Baby. I'm so sorry. I promise you it will never happen again.
I don't trust you.
You have to trust me this time around.
Can I see?
Sure, you can see it. Someone is famished already.
Don't go, Joe, so that you can insult me again. This is how it starts.
No, it's not like that now. What do you want to eat?
Then I just cook anything for me. I'm actually hungry. And I'm in a hurry, so you have to be fast.
Oh, baby, I'm so sorry. There's no food in the house. That was why I was calling you. But you weren't picking your calls, and I don't know what to cook for you.
You see what I'm saying? This is how the insult starts. I beg, just go.
I'm so sorry. Okay, let me go and prepare you good breakfast. I know you like it.
We are now be fast. I'm in a hurry, please.
All right, just give me 5 minutes and I'll be back.
All right, be fast.
All right.
Go. Yeah, fine, babe. God.
My size. Hello, my size.
Can I talk to you?
What is it?
I see you, I like you, I call you, finish. What is your name?
My name is Shan.
Shangini?
Just call me Shan.
I want us to go to somewhere and sit and talk. Meanwhile, my name is Ima. CEO, MD, Managing Director of Ima Global Group of Companies, Nigeria Limited. Shop Rhine C, Shop 4.
Okay.
Importer, exporter of pant and bra, full road container, Aboko and Abomoai. Finish.
Nice.
Wonderful, wonderful.
So where is your car?
This is my car. Yeah. Smallest of my car. You can enter. Let us go to somewhere we can do some shopping.
All right, come and open the door.
I should come and open the door for you. The handle is good. Nothing do am. It's not spoiled. Open it.
Wait, you can't open the car for me?
I mean, go understand. Can't you open the car by yourself? Are you a baby?
Why are you raising your voice?
Sorry.
You're not even romantic. What kind of a man is this?
How can
Let's go.
my plane enter the motor? They go romantic. It's only Lomans that are romantic. An Igbo man, how can I be romantic? My friend, use your hand and chop the food now. Why are you forming? I don't like girls that are forming.
Ew.
Which one is ew? Ew again. Well, I can't use your hand and eat the food so that you will feel the taste of the food. Or not some ew. Give me ew.
I don't like the way you talk to me.
Mbome?
Yes.
It's all right. Sorry. Where do you stay? Big Ibe.
Down the road where you saw me.
Down the road?
Yes.
I will like us to be babies.
Why are you eating like that? You're irritating me. Stop it.
I don't understand. You don't have to like the way I am eating. Chop your own, let me chop my own. I want you to be my baby and I'll be your baby. Finish.
I'm not interested. I barely even know you. You just saw me now, a few minutes ago, and you want me to be your girl. We can just be friends, and that's that.
You want to join Anna? Okay, now why on both friends? Don't mind it. Don't mind.
Better.
Don't mind. No matter choice.
Sir?
Bring the bill. I want to get out of here.
Sir, here is the bill.
Okay. Small money. I'll give it to her.
To who? Why me? Give it to him. He's the man.
Later, I will see.
Hey, where are you going to?
Sir.
Follow him and go and collect your money.
He said I should give it to you.
Give it to me. How? Am I the one that brought myself here? Follow that man.
My fellow baby. That reminds me, there's one wedding we are going for. Okwi Interior. Okwi Interbiz. Solid man. You want to go? Hey! We are going for his wedding.
Ojogo, I am not going. I barely know them.
You don't. I know him. You know about them. This is one man congregation. That solid man, treasurer of our union. You want to go? Okwi Interbiz. Okwi Interior. You understand? And they said we should come with our wives. So who am I?
Ojogo block. Okay, just hold on. See, I don't think I'm going to go because I'm not comfortable with this.
I am not telling you to be comfortable. I'm telling you to come and eat and drink. That's what I'm saying. Now, comfortable what? Do you think it's other small chingum weddings? Okwi Interbiz, this is a solid, that's one man congregation in business and in attitude and in person and also in wedding. What are we talking about here? This my wedding. They carry canopy, nonsense, shy girls that don't make sense. Guinea, All the usher girls in this thing. Hey! Half caste, everybody. Usher, half caste. I'm telling you, forget this your face. You are doing anyhow. I'm carrying my own half caste. Hey! So this wedding, Hi! Oh my God. He said no kind of rice that will not be there. No kind of rice. No kind of spaghetti that will not be in that wedding. He said suya, nkwobi, isiewu, and then for high table. Hey! Crocodile meat will be there with hippopotamus salad.
Odogu block.
Yes, nah.
Which one is hippopotamus salad?
For G7 members on the high table with their wives. You understand? That's what we are going to eat there, my dear. Have you eaten it before? I haven't eaten it also.
So you expect me to go for a wedding and eat hippopotamus salad?
Oh yes. As my wife, I've not eaten it before now. So I cannot. If you miss this wedding, you have missed something in your life. I'm telling you, you have missed something in your life. Crocodile meat and hippopotamus salad a la carte on Chineke. So my dear, we are going. Just look good for me.
See, I'm not going. It's not by force. It should be voluntary, please.
You're not going?
Yes.
You're saying voluntary? You're not going. Wedding that they said I should bring my wife. We all come with our wives. High table. You won't go. Odogu block. His wife said she won't go to Oku Interior's wedding. Oku Interior Interbees. G7 solid member. You will not go to sit by my side at the high table. You will not go. No problem. I know the original. Okay? I will manage photocopy. Yes. Oh, yes. I'll manage photocopy. I will go and find a photocopy, yellow one baby like you, like this, to escort me to that wedding. We'll sit there, enjoy the crocodile meat and hippopotamus salad.
Odogu block, are you trying to tell me you now have a side chick?
What I'm saying is I'm now a side man presenting myself to a side chick that will be by my side in my car to that wedding. That will also be by my side at that wedding on top of that high table. Yes, that is what it is. Good night.
Odogu block.
Good night.
So you have a side chick, you've been pretending to me, right? Odogu block, I'm talking to you. Odogu block, ha. Side chick, ha. Ha. Okay.
I spread leg now. Not like the way you spread in bedroom. Reduce the volume of this thing.
Okay. Okay.
Spread your leg now.
Babe.
Huh?
Take it. Jesus. What, you're hurting me.
Calm down. Just do breathe in now. Just like this. Breathe in. Package. Okay. That's right. We are now there. Hey, my missus. Hey, every time. Look how much.
You clean your eyes very well and enter market to buy expensive products.
Yes, just in a wine.
Belly child.
This is an angel that escaped heaven. Other angels are rioting right now. The angel arrived in my house.
That is it.
Okay, for wedding now. This wedding we are going for. Yoruba ga say Otilo. Once we enter there, all the photographers will leave the bride and start chakam here.
No.
So everything they confirm G7.
Yes. They telephone me now before I enter here.
Okay.
They said that the G7 members are their lady.
Okay.
And all the Unkwobis, all the Takebos and Ngokobos, they are all lady.
Hippopotamus salad.
Even crocodile barbecue. It is there.
Hippopotamus salad.
Belly lady.
Confirm. Let's package. Hey, Mrs.
Majestic.
Why you batting? Ewe.
Baby, you get one Igbo thick man who I meet. If you see Igbo, it thick. I mean, when I mean Igbo thick, it thick where.
Oh no, this one will be better casual.
I don't understand how.
Baby. The more thicker the Igbo, the richer he is.
I don't think say he get money. He doesn't, you know, resemble like person who get money, no.
That's how you go there with me, no go get sense. They use your head now. As an Igbo man, money no they show for body, oh. If you know they see your friend husband.
Not true. You know, say I never really reason this thing go that side. You have a point.
So you go, they use your brain sometimes. If your number 5 no work, use the number 6 now. You know what you go do? You go call him now. I hope say you call his number.
Yes.
Abi,
call him number.
You go call him
now.
But
babe, I don't like that guy. I don't like him. I don't dey call anybody.
You get what I talk for you go like him?
Why can't they raise voice for me? Why they shout for me now?
Asa. You know what you go do? You go call him now. May we start with recharge card. Tell me he sent you recharge card. May we start with that one. May we use this man open better office.
Okay.
Make no for couple. Talk to him softly. Use better tone.
Hello, baby. How are you? I am fine. Please, baby, I need a small favor from you. My data just finished and I need to recharge. I just need 3,000 naira data. I said I need data, like my data just finished, so I need to recharge, and it's just 3,000 naira. Hello? 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 Let's say this guy don't anchor for my ear.
Call him again now. It will be network now. Call him again.
Okay. You know the big call you.
But I say this one don't spoil though. A bad market with that. I'm very afraid I'm rubbish.
This is another maga will come. If I don't even like her. You both take man. Which I want to do with her.
Oh my goodness. What's going on? Why haven't I been paid? This has never happened before. After all the stress. What's all this? Oh God. This is so annoying. What the...
This man, Hey. My fellow baby, you see this Chinese man, This my guy, My container now got me down now saying go ham and takroge, Because just imagine, see the number. See the number this man said. How long? How far? My fellow baby. This one, you are squeezing your face like cutlass, they didn't sharpen. Organic one.
Ojogo, I've been doing a remote online business with a foreign company. And I noticed that I've been blocked. Like, I don't get it. After the whole stress, after spending a huge amount of money, I've spent so much.
Shere, you spend money?
I actually thought I've won a jackpot. Can you imagine?
Chireke.
Now they blocked me.
They blocked you?
Yes.
Blockhead people block. Give me the number of the company. Give me the number. They block you. How much millions are we talking about here? That how much naira are these people owing you? For what?
It's not naira. It's in dollars.
Dollars?
Yes.
Hey, Jesus! Give me the number. Give me. They will hear from me. They will know who your husband is. No matter where they are in this world, they must pay the money. No, just give me the money. How much are we talking about, sir? No, talk to me. Where they went now? Talk to me.
It's $250.
You said $250. That's why I'm shouting.
Ojogo, this is a huge amount of money in this economy.
This is a huge waste of my shouting. Yes, now I don't shout for this kind of money now. Why will I be shouting for $250 now? What kind of disgrace is this in diaspora? What's this now? No, now I shout for big money. I shout for millions. Which one is 250? This is my wife's self. $250.
Yes.
Because of it, I'm wasting my shouting economy. $250. I don't like the fact that you made mistake. I don't like it at all. I don't like it. I like it. I don't like it. Anybody associated with Odoku block must know business. They can't cheat. That's why I don't like this thing. I don't like this thing. I like business. I see you. You see me. You understand me. In your game voice, you understand that you must pay. You must pay. No, nah. My boys don't make this kind of mistake, nah. You that you are here, do I make mistake here with you? Why would you make mistake anywhere else in business? Anyway, let me give you times 10 of that money. Let me even increase it. I don't like this. Don't make mistake in business like this again. Please. Please.
Alright.
Sent you 5 million naira happiness fee.
Odogu. You're so sweet. Thank you.
Yes, that's happiness fee and caution fee. Yes.
Odogu, which one is caution fee?
Happiness and caution fee for you to be happy and for you to caution yourself and caution your business. You understand? Caution yourself and caution your business. Okay? Are we okay now?
Yes.
Are you okay now?
Odogu.
I'm gonna make me okay now.
Odogu,
Come here.
sorry.
Come here.
Odogu, Baby, I don't understand. This one you decided not to eat egg today.
No, I just want normal bread and tea. Normal bread and tea. Mama. No, stop. That reminds me. You see, my friends, their wives come to the shop, you understand, to know what their husbands are doing, and they join their husbands in business. So, I'm not saying you should stop that your computer thing you're doing that you call business, but I'm talking about you coming to know what your husband does, you understand? So that you learn. You understand? That's what I'm telling you.
Baby, you know, I have my own business that I'm doing, but don't worry, I'll think about it.
Think more. Because that business you're doing is become business. I want you to come and do good business. You understand? Good business. Where you count big money, millions, your own millions. So, understand?
Yes, baby.
That's what I want for you. That's what I really need for you. You counting your own money, okay?
Yeah.
No,
Baby, I know you.
it's only a good husband that will tell you this. So.
I know. I know you want something good for me, but like I said, I'll think about it.
Okay. Think more.
Hey.
Think more.
The good vlog. And well, you just have to eat fast because you're already late for work.
No problem.
Okay, darling. Hey. My husband.
But now then do it for me. My eyes are gonna do it for me. My eyes are do it for me. She got the front, she got the face. My as another beautiful girl. She get it back. No, she not get it back. But she get it face. She be fine girl.
Which kind of thing be that one now?
Asa.
But see, they talk which one say she not get the nyash.
Asa, you know she not be lying now. You know see you na fine girl. You carry face. But you not gonna get nyash. And that nyash dey important. So like this now, it be like say me and you go do one better BBL. That's what they say.
Babe, see this one we just talk now. Me, I know. It in my budget. See, once you don't blow, once you don't make them big like this, now my project, now my first project, and I'm gonna be your video vixen now. You don't forget.
Oh, you don't talk up now. It's not bad. Like my baby.
Hello, babe. What's up? You won't carry us come out? Babe. This one won't carry us come out like this. Bless say your husband money done the shark you. You don't enter your head though. Okay, I know why. No worry. I dey come. Yes. All right. See you.
Asa.
Yes, baby.
What does she want?
She said she won't carry us come out.
Oh, more.
Waiting.
That better things for coming. They love me that though.
You call they laugh like say now you they invite.
I mean, are you that? You know what? You know, say you go carry better takeaway.
Nah, no man, nah. You know, trust me again.
I trust you now. You know, say for this thing, make I roll you better song before you come out. Yeah.
Babe, and you see that your song, you go keep am. No make it no come up for your head though. Just keep am for evening when I come back. We will do am. You see as it be like this, man, no miss this one. No. See that thanks for coming. It dey very important. We no get food though. We no go dey here, they rap, they sing, they shake nash. We no go see food chop this night. I be na whining of bombo in one chop this night. Ma go come back here, kiss me. That's my baby.
My Asa, fine girl.
I come out, dress up.
Chai.
This one my school, no police way.
Hello, ma. What's up? Where? Hangout. Hey, baby, la hot. Don't worry. Don't worry. I'm coming right now. Don't bother. Relax. I'm coming.
Babe, who is she?
It's Mao. My best friend now. The one I told you that we visited her house and the husband gave us 20,000 naira each.
I'm trying to recall it. I can't
Ma
remember.
now, the one I told you that the husband is too local for my liking. Ma.
Okay, the local rich man.
Yes, see.
So you have friends like that and you keep coming to me, disturbing me for money. Don't you know I'm supposed to borrow money from her? People like that, they won't even remember to collect the money from me.
Hey! So because my girlfriend got married to a rich man, she should be footing my bills. Bia can jog. What will you be doing as my fiancé?
You're supposed to be happy that a fine dark-skinned boy like me is even your man. You should be proud of me now.
I beg you. Look at you. You think it's all about fine boy? It's money. If you don't have money in your pocket, it's fine boy. Shit though.
I know my baby will not be happy seeing me dressed in this. But I don't like his choice of clothes. Well, I will just have to do whatever he wants me to do.
So that man, that girl is very stupid. My sister. She called us out here for what? So she come and shows that her husband has money.
Oh, yeah, that's what she wants to do.
I want that money. See that money with it. We'll start with this one.
My dear, don't mind her. She's so stupid. Sense, me can't she no get. Huh?
Can you see what this girl is wearing? Is this not main market women's clothes?
My
What nonsense is this
sister.
one?
This is what you get when you get married to a village local man. Just look at her. Ask her to come over here because me, I will not.
Babe, you are over here.
You girls are already eating. See enjoyment though.
So let us start eating and wait for you now, so don't be quiet now. You'll be the one to pay for this food though.
I'm so sorry I'm late.
It's okay, you don't have it.
My friend.
Yeah.
Hey, see as they glow.
As in,
Don't they chop your husband money. Enjoy.
Leave me, Joe. Waiter. Ma, please come.
Ma, welcome. Please, what do you want?
Just get me white rice and salad.
Okay, is that all?
Yeah.
We ordered for takeaway.
Yes, that is true. We ordered for takeaway and we've not paid for it. She's right.
Takeaway?
Yes.
You girls ordered for takeaway?
Yes, no. It is nothing to you now. Your husband has money. Stop pretending.
Man, now,
you think
what
I
is
don't know?
it? Small money. Who drop small now? Your husband has the money. Why they do like this?
Okay, fine. I'll pay for everything. It's okay.
Thank you, my fine friend.
This one you call us out. I hope all is well.
Yes, all is well. It's just that my husband asked me the kind of business line he would want to set up for me.
Okay.
So when he asked me, I was a bit confused. So I decided to bring you girls over so we can put heads together and then you can actually give me a clue on the kind of business I can actually do, you know.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
I'm sorry, Ma, we don't have enough salad in stock right now.
All right, that's fine. Thank you.
If I may ask, what happened to your teaching tech?
Yeah, I will do it. It's just that the tech job doesn't pay every day, but business does. So definitely I'll do both and get workers to assist me. But I'll just try and manage myself and take inventories of my business. That's all.
Okay. Sorry.
No, I'm okay.
If you ask me, I will tell you to venture into hair business. I mean, look at you. You have eyes for good hairs. And look at the one you have on your hair.
Now, which one is hair business again?
Yes, no.
Go into fashion and design.
Fashion and designing.
Yes.
So what? Why did you choose that?
You know your husband has money.
Okay.
And all the celebrities, they used to love all those baby clothes, all those designers clothes. Go to Instagram, you see things for yourself. It pays very well, and you will like it.
She has a point.
Please, let me just use the restroom. I'm pressed, so I will. I'll be back shortly.
Okay.
Can you imagine? This girl na fool. Just look at the way she's allowing this man control her.
As in, wetin she suppose chop through way for bush, now she hold am tight.
I can't stand that local man. Imagine the way he chews things. Very ugly thing.
You see the way he talks. Mama, they try you. It can never be me. I've been at desperation cause this one. I've been waiting my day.
Imagine thinking of a business to do and leaving her tech job. Very soon she will turn to loud market woman just like her spouse. Rubbish.
I think we should talk her out of it. Even talk her out of the marriage. That man no fit her babe at all. Look at the way he dressed now.
I bet the local short man asked her to dress like that, like a local champion.
He's a local champion. Like masquerade. I beg, with all David's fault, I chose him again and again.
See, you know what? Let's just enjoy the money. Let her just come, we'll chop our money. We'll even order for more food. We'll chop and here. We'll reach house, we'll go toilet.
You be bad person. No.
I had everything you girls talked about.
What did we say?
Yes, look at it. You can see. What is this? So tell me, what is this?
Ma, just relax. We're actually talking about your business, yes, and how you put more effort to your husband. That is the truth. No offense, please. I want to ask, what's attracted you to your husband? Because the I know will never settle for less.
What kind of stupid question is that? Look, I was trying to record your opinion and share to my sweetheart. I got pressed and left my phone on recording. I had earpods on my ears. And I heard you girls talk about my husband. You girls were talking down on the love of my life. The man that is paying for this meal that you are eating. You were talking about him. I wanted to fight you girls, but I just spoke to myself. I said, no, there's no need fighting these broke girls that cannot even learn to mind their business.
Enough of that nonsense. Enough is enough. What is it? I cannot sit down here and you come out here and be running this house. Enough is enough. Stop that rubbish.
Will you shut up your mouth? Look at you with a jobless boyfriend that has no direction in life. All he does is to sag his trouser. The only property he has in this life is that tripod that he uses for TikTok videos.
You are mad. You are very insane.
Oh,
now I know you don't have sense.
Shut up your mouth. I'm not done yet. And you, Mercy, Lord of the Ring, you've been dating a guy for the past 3 years. Nothing to show. That's broke fool. All you do is to clinch around him, go around him and be stupid. I thought by now you would have had sense.
Enough! Do not talk down on my boyfriend like that. He's from a rich family and that is all that matters to me. Oh. I don't need your opinion on what to do.
Rich kid from a rich family. Who's dashing him? Have you been to his house?
Oh.
Have you seen his parents? Do you know who he is? He is nothing. All you do is to flock around him like a fly. That's all you do.
It's none of your business.
Wait. So you're ruining all these insults or not just because of what? A local man with no basic ethics.
The same man that is feeding you girls. I don't even get it. Why are you girls bothered with the choice of man I make? That's why I did not even invite you for my wedding. Yes, as you can see, let me burst your bubble. Chuka is my life. And I am that proud, submissive wife to him. I don't care about your opinion. So you can shove it off your ass. As you can see, I am taking my leave so I can go and prepare eba and okra soup for my odogu block.
That's what you're good at. Get out. Get out. Don't be up in the air. Get out. Don't worry. My leg. What is it?
It was done. Why are you chasing her away? She has not paid for this food. Use your head. Better go there and call her back.
How do I call her back? She has gone. What do we do? You're having her own food. Are we going to pay for this?
When you were busy shouting, talking, you don't know. Call your boyfriend.
Call your fiancé. At least you have somebody, please. Call him now.
David.
You should come on. Yes.
David, I cannot send urgent 2K. You want me to call him to pay for this food?
Then what are you doing with him? What are you doing with a broke ass man? And you're wearing ring?
It's none of your business. The most important thing is that we should pay for this food and leave him.
You should leave that guy. I don't know. He cannot send you money for how much is this?
What about you? What are we going to do now? You need something. You should do what? You should never meet much.
Excuse me, here's your order. Your takeaway.
Emma, see, we are already filled up. There won't be need for this again. We are okay. Please, you can take it back.
And what is that supposed to mean?
What she's trying to tell you is that we don't need the food again. We are filled already. Yes.
And then what? Please. I'm here to collect my money. This was specifically made with your orders and it cannot be sold to another customer. So please just pay your money and leave.
Yes, I understand what you're saying. The truth is that we are out of cash. If we have this money, we won't be saying all these things now.
I cannot help you. Just pay and leave.
Ma, please, we don't have money. See, our friend that was supposed to pay for all this, she left angrily. And there's...
Because, yes, you're the one.
Stop now.
Okay.
Stop.
As it is now, we have plenty work at the back. So what people will do is just stand up and follow me. Let me give you working accessories. And then I will tell you what to do. You see, we have a lot of things to do. You can see the floor is dirty, so you just carry it. Follow me. I think the floor, people will mop. Calm down. Just stand up and follow me. Let me go and give you working accessories. Yes, now, please. Just pass.
Why not?
Follow me now. Keep waste my time. I will change my mind.
Please, we'll keep the food now, so we finish. Can take that one.
Follow me. Follow me.
When you crossed my path, I knew that you were the one for me. Across the distance and the oceans between us, you're the one for me. And every day I've come to realize that I want you and I need you.
Hey, beggars, me una come dey go. Be like say that una friend don't pay for una.
You say waiting. Wait, let's talk.
I say me una dey go now. Stop the watching and leave. Oh, see so.
So she let us send you money and allow us to suffer for this thing.
Then una dey go now. See so.
Wait, leave her. You think say we don't get money? No! We just dey play with you. We wanted to know the kind of person you are. So you get mind allow us no wash all this place, more beer. Because of what? Money. When we get money, and now you come now, they tell us say the girl don't pay. Our friend don't pay. You dey craze.
Wait, how much pay for my account?
Are you mad?
You think we're poor?
See who is calling account.
You think we're rich?
You dey carry bone straight for your head. Where you big pass all the money where you don't work for your life. You dey come here, they form big
You
girls.
will die here. Madam, come and give us our takeaway first.
Which takeaway?
She pay for you dey craze.
You don't get shit. You don't get shame.
You dey talk of shame.
You get mine, see the ask take away. I say make una
You
leave.
don't see that takeaway. You must bring her come. I no go wash all these plates finish. You no go bring that takeaway come outside.
There go.
This girl dey craze. If I say she no.
No, they go leave this a flavor.
Go where? No, they go anywhere. She no, you see that takeaway.
See this one where you my hair put for head.
She still dey talk. I go wipe this girl slap.
Is that take your whole entire savings?
She pay for the takeaway.
You dey come restaurant, you no get money. I beg they go.
I go use this thing break your head. Where is that takeaway?
Hey, you want to beat me?
Leave her, let's go.
Shebi you don't get mouth now they talk.
See this thing wey we for. Another person go see.
Look at them. Fine girl, bone straight, no money. See them. I beg they go. Waka.
My hair is small. You cannot even enter. You saw it.
Madam, since you have put this hair inside your bag, you pay for it.
What is that? You don't understand.
You will pay for it.
Chido. This is my wife, friend.
She's a thief.
You married here?
Yes.
I came to survey hairs.
Okay.
So as I was checking the hairs, I saw this hair. I said, okay, let me open this bag and check if this hair can enter my bag. I put it inside. It did not enter. For me to bring it out, this girl saw me and started calling me thief. Is that even possible?
You've already stole it.
It's okay. I know the remaining story. Oh,
you see?
It's okay. How much is this? Hope it's not 1 point to gain 1 million.
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir. Okay, how much?
It's 120k, sir.
120 what?
It's okay. So there's no problem. I'll pay for the hair.
It's not like I need it, though, but
God just saved you. It's okay. It's okay.
Shut up.
It's okay.